Hello everyone, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question from audience. So let's get started. On the question is, I want your expert opinion about this. I am helping a client with his Google Ads for an electronic company that offers installation, repair, and maintenance services. The ads have been running for about 3 weeks, and the client isn't happy. What could be the best approach for this? Two active call only ads campaigns. Location around San Jose and Santa Cruz County. 88 keywords, all in broad match type. $4,000 per month budget. Bid strategy is maximize conversions. And this is, I'm gonna look around for this. Okay, so you are running for an electric company, and so far you have got 1003 clicks at $27 CPC, which is quite high. $2.8, 2.81K spent, 4.24 impressions so far I get, and you are not happy. Definitely, your client needs not to be happy because there are a lot of things over which needs to be done over here before even making this campaign. First of all, that because you got zero phone call lead and you are running call campaigns lead. Okay, so you need to understand first of all that why you are doing broad match. Okay, with broad match you are going to waste money. Okay, so, and the second thing is, are you creating a separate campaign for San Jose and Santa Cruz County, or in case both of the campaigns have both of the locations added? If you ask me, I recommend to create specific campaigns for specific locations to figure out what exactly working well for us. Another thing which I like to oversee over here is that how good or bad your landing page is, because landing page is a converting point, and in case if that is not good, then we may have to see a disappointment over here, because we are paying for each visitor to land our website, so our landing page experience needs to be optimized very well. Now the thing is that the bid strategy is maximize conversions. Okay, the maximize conversion strategy does not work well with new campaigns. You have to figure out, it slowly works with campaigns when we got some conversions, when you got some leads. For new campaigns, I do not recommend. Let's start with maximize clicks, then eventually move on to the maximize conversions. Now the broad match type, I mean, why did you opt it for the broad match? I mean, I do not recommend. Go with exact match. Exact match or phrase match is where, and even then you are still paying $27 CPC with the broad match. So you need to look around. You need to look on your search terms to see what kind of people are coming on. Have installed the analytics to see if people are coming on your website, spending time, or if they are leaving early. If they are doing early exits, it means that they were not expecting what they were expecting when they clicked on your ad. So the expectations of your ad does not meet with your landing page, so your ads may need optimization as well. I also recommend optimizing your ads. There is a very good tool which I almost recommend in every video, is to install. This is just an ad preview tool to show you. This is a simple ad, but if you add extensions with an ad like side link extensions, location extension, call extension, review extension, it makes that ad interesting and appealing. So add those things in your ad to make it out work well for you. This could be another thing as well which can help you. And then you need to figure out your peak hours, peak days, and also very important thing is look around what your competitors are doing. Your competitors are your best teachers. I recommend to use SEMrush or any other pay tool which can help you in figuring out what's exactly working well for you. So figure out with those competitors to see what kind of a campaign they are running, what kind of keywords they are running, and then your pricing, what kind of pricing you have on your website, and how quickly you respond to your queries. So that are a few other things which I wanted to look around. Then again, the 88 keywords again are too much, and how you are synchronizing them with your ad groups. Are you running the same ad for all the keywords, or running different ads? I recommend running different ads, because the each intent is different with each keyword. When someone searches a different keyword, someone searches a cheap iPhone has a different intent, someone searching a buy iPhone, both have different intent. Understand the intent of the user. We need to sort it with the ad, with the landing page, and that is how we can generate a perfect sale. So in case if you, I hope this answers your question, because I do not know much about your campaign, just accept this image. So I hope this answers your question. But in case if you need a professional help, professional audit of your campaigns, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we're going to help to make sure to get an amazing Google Ads campaign. Or in case if you need a professional help in creating a new Google Ads campaign, you are more than welcome to hire us through the link in the description. And in case if you still have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.